Hello, parents and ninjas. Sensei Leo here, and today we're going to learn how to install World Edit 1.15.2 and Minecraft Forge to your computer, so your kids can teach you, or they can teach you and show you all the amazing things we've been learning here at Club Minecraft. Before you begin, make sure you're running Windows 10 on a Windows machine, and that you have the latest version of Minecraft Java installed on your computer, and that you can access the game in 1.16.4 or whatever version is available. This is very important, and the rest of this install won't work unless you have Minecraft already installed and able to run. First of all, we're going to go to www.java.com and install Java for our computers. And I'm not on the homepage right now. Here we go. You'll be greeted with a homepage that looks kind of like this. And Java plus U, download today. So I'm going to click on this Java download button here. And that will bring me to a custom download page, which is the one for my computer. I'm running a 64-bit computer with Windows. So here it says 64-bit Java for Windows. And this tutorial is meant for Windows 7 through 10 computers. So if you have a Macintosh, then please reach out to our center for someone to help you out with the install for that one. So here I am, 64-bit Java for Windows. So I'm going to click on Agree and Start Free Download. And that will give me a nice little download down here. Wait for that to load. And now that's all ready. So I'm going to click into my File Explorer. I'm going to go to my Downloads folder. And it should be here right at the top. And it'll say JRE. And then it might have a different number than mine on here. And it's Windows x64. That looks good. So I'm going to click into that. And it's going to ask me if I want to allow this app to make changes to my device. And if it says Java SE Runtime Environment, you're good to go. So you can click on Yes. And it's going to load for a little bit here until we have a nice little pop-up. Welcome to Java. And I'm going to click on Install. It's going to install Java. And if you don't have Java on your computer yet, then it might be a little bit of an install here. So it may take up to 10 to 15 minutes. All right, so this one's, let's see. So this says out-of-date Java versions detected, and this is because I already have Java on my computer. So you shouldn't see a screen like that. You click on Next, and at the end you should get a little pop-up. You have successfully installed Java, and that means you are good to go. So now we're going to install our Minecraft Forge, and we are going to grab our mod as well. So in the link down below as well, there should be a link to a Google Drive shared folder. And in there are two different files. There's like Forge 1.15.3 and World Edit, which says, yeah, Forge MC 1.15.3 as well. So I'm going to download both of those. And if you get a message like this that says this type of file can harm your computer, make sure it says Forge 1.15.2 31.2, etc. Yeah, if you're downloading this file and only these two files from the Google Drive folder, it'll be okay. So we're going to click on Keep. And it'll load for a little bit. And I'll go to my downloads here. And you can see the Forge, the picture of it looks kind of like a coffee cup, which that's good. And if it doesn't look like a coffee cup for you, then make sure to reach out to our center, and we will have someone go one-on-one with you and help you to figure out the issue here. But it should look like a coffee cup right away. So we can click on that, click on Forge, the coffee cup, and we've got a wonderful little client here, the simple Forge installer. And I'm going to click on, so there's three options here: install client, install server, and extract. I'm going to do install client, and I'm going to make sure that the path here, so it has C:/users, and it'll have your computer username, and then it should say app data, roaming, and then .minecraft. Make sure it's .minecraft at the end. That'll be very important. I'm going to click on OK. A lot of text will be on the screen. It just means it's installing. And then once it's finished, it should say successfully installed Client Profile Forge for version 1.15.2 and downloaded 45 libraries. Awesome. So we are good to go from there. All right, so now we have Forge installed, so we're going to put our mod into Forge. So I'm going to come down here to my search bar. I'm going to type in run, R-U-N, and press enter. And in this little box here, it'll say open. So I'm going to type %, app data, %. I'm going to press enter. And here we go. It's got all my app data stuff. And at the very top should be a folder that says .minecraft. So I'm going to click into that one. And there might be a lot of folders and files in there, but we're going to look for one that says mods. And if you don't have a folder that says mods, you can right click, new, folder, and then just make sure to name it mods, M-O-D-S. So we're going to click into there, and I already have the mod in here from before, but I'm going to go over to my downloads. I've already downloaded World Edit Forge.1.15.2. I'm going to drag that right into my directory there, and it will be right there. So now I'm going to close out of that and out of that. I have Minecraft. I've got World Edit inside my mods folder in my Minecraft directory. Now I'm going to open up Minecraft. And there should be, if I look under here, yep, there it is. There should be a profile, and the picture will look like an anvil, and it'll say Forge, 1.15.2 Forge. So I'm going to click onto that, and I'm going to hit play. And you might get a message like this. So you can click on, I understand the risk. This is just telling you that playing on servers with this version of Minecraft don't have the supported moderation feature, but that's okay, because we're just going to be playing in single player for this. Then I'll click on play. And your game will load here. And you might get a different loading screen than usual when starting Minecraft, because Forge has a couple of different libraries and dependencies that it has to get ready before it will start the game. So this process could take 5 to 7 minutes or so, depending on how fast your machine is. Yep, just a screen like this. You might get a screen that looks kind of like this, and that is okay. That is exactly what's supposed to be happening. All right, oh, fantastic. We're loading up into our game here. All right, so I'm getting this warning because I have older mods in my mods folder for a different version of Minecraft. But since you just have the one World Edit 1.15.2 mod, you won't get this warning. So there we go. You'll have a nice background like this. And the important thing to double check to make sure that it works, you'll have a button here that says mods. And here I've got World Edit. Nice. And over here as well, it'll say Forge 1.13. It'll kind of have your version of Forge and stuff. And it'll say 3 mods loaded. And it's as simple as that. Thank you for following along with me today. And as always, make sure to reach out to our center via email or phone call if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, or if you need any help setting this up on your computer. Have a wonderful day. With this magic cookie, I will make so much TNT in my Minecraft world.